Are you ready? If you do not have an Etsy account, you need to create an account. Add your email, first name, password, and register. If you are already using Etsy, I'm sure that you already have an account. So if you are ready to sell on Etsy, then you need to click on Sell on Etsy in the right corner. Millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. Open your Etsy store. It is really important for the shop preferences to set up your shop language in English. Even though your native language is not English, it doesn't really matter because this will make a huge difference when it comes to SEO and indexing your shop. Be very careful with this because you can't change it. This is the only thing that you can't change. Choose the country from where you will ship your products or from where you create. Etsy automatically shows the currency that the customer prefers, so you don't need to worry, just choose the currency that you prefer now. Choose if you are selling full-time or if it's part-time. This is not really important, it's just something for Etsy. Now, you probably know a name or you may have an idea. Here is the place where you can really see if the shop name is available or not. I usually check names first with namechecker.com. Those are not 100% accurate. Even if you search on Etsy a particular name and it may not show up, but that name might be taken because someone may have created an account and they're not really using it. The only way to really see that a shop name is available is straight here. Don't worry about this because you can also change your name once without any problem, and then you can also change it more times if you want if you send an application to Etsy. If you choose a name now, you can also change it without any problem before making your shop live. To finish this setup, you will need only one listing, so I made a bit of magic here and added a listing just for the sake of this video to continue with the next step. Here you have to choose your country. Again, be very honest, very transparent here. Choose where is your bank located. Complete all the information, all the data. Depending on your country, you'll have probably a slightly different format. And after you complete these, click again, save and continue, and you'll be taken to set up your billing. There is where you need to add all your bank information, and only after you have completed everything and make sure that everything matches, that your name matches with bank information, with all the data that you have entered, and only after you set up billing, click on Open Your Shop. Only then the shop will be live. Before opening your shop to the public, let's fix your storefront and let's see how it looks right now. Click then on your profile, click on your store. It's funny that they always say that your shop is on Etsy since 1969. I don't know why they chose this year. Only after you publish, they will show your current year. This is how your storefront looks now without anything. Here we will start editing your store. We will explore here two versions and we will see first how a brand new store looks like and how you can edit it from scratch. And then we will go and visit my store and we will see an old store with another subscription, the Etsy Plus. In order to edit it, click on Edit Shop. You can add your shop icon, which can be your logo. Make sure to add it in a square format. I create all my graphics with Canva. Canva.com for me was the best tool and the easiest tool to use. It's a free tool. They also have a premium subscription, but you can do lots of things with the free version, so no need to worry about that. There you have lots of templates also. You can play and create something for your Etsy store. After that, you can add your banner. For the banner, I suggest you choose the big banner. This looks really amazing, really professional, and it helps your shop stand out. You also have a mini banner, but I really suggest a big banner. And for the standard package, you do not have available the carousel and the collage. After you have added your banner, you click on Done. And here is where you can add your shop title. It is very good here to use keywords. This is very important for your SEO. What do you want to sell? What is your product? Are you selling t-shirts? Funny t-shirts or funny gifts? Define your product. Location. This is really important. You should always add the location from where you ship your products. Don't add a location that seems fancy. This might get your account deactivated, and you don't want that. So make sure to add your real location. Where are you from? Where are you based? From where do you ship your products? Then for your shop owner, here you should use your own photo. Earn their trust right away. So as soon as they land on your shop, they will see your photo, they will see you smiling, looking really amazing, and they will immediately like you. That's for sure. I can guarantee that. Next is the shop announcement. In the beginning, you can add something like, "Welcome to my store. It's so great to have you here. Remember what we have discussed about the voice of your brand. You need to be really friendly. Etsy is a super friendly platform. It's about creators. It's about the world of handmade products. It's about curators, about vintage items. So everything is really, really personal and very friendly. So you need to have this super friendly voice and tone all over your Etsy store. And then, of course, in your direct interactions with your customers. So keep it short, keep it simple, keep it fun, keep it light. The next part, the updates. The updates can be added only with the Sell on Etsy app, and I will show you later on in the second part of this video where I will show exactly my shop and how I use my updates. The next part is the About part. Here is your place to shine. Here you can add up to 5 photos and a video. For the photos, make sure to add them in a landscape mode, so that they look really good and professional. And you can add one video where you can present yourself, like, "Hi, I'm Lara, welcome to my Etsy store." Or you can have like a more professional video about your brand, about your product, show how your product works. Use the video section to shine, to show your true colors, to be as bright as possible, colorful, and have fun. Every visitor is your friend, is your best friend. So imagine that you are greeting your best friend. This is your little home or little local shop where your friend comes to visit. This is your place to add your story. Add a story headline. You can make it, fun, or just "This is our story," or "Welcome to our shop." If the announcement is more about your store and about something general about your brand and about your service, this is a place where you can share your story. You can be here as personal as possible. If Amazon and eBay are more about the product, Etsy is also about the seller. Customers They really love this personal touch. Around the web, in this section, you can add all your social media accounts plus your website or blog. But remember, this is the only place where you should add any external links. Next, you can add the shop members. The owner, yourself, if you have assistants, you have someone in customer service, the shipper, photographer. You can add as many shop members as you wish. Then you can add a short biography or something sweet about yourself, like always walking on the sunny side of the street. Local. Where are you selling in person? If you already have a local store, or if you participate in any events, then here is the place where you can add this. It will help you show up in the local searches. Shop policies. Yes, you already have a template made by Etsy, which is quite basic and quite okay, and you can use that for now. So it's really important to specify your processing time. Buyers are always responsible for custom taxes because you can't control this. This is only the customer's responsibility. If you are working with a print-on-demand company, you will not accept returns because they don't do that. So if you want to set up a Printful or Printify store, you have to mention here that you do not accept returns and cancellations. You could work out some exchanges. If you're selling digital downloads, again, you can't accept returns and exchanges. Etsy mentions that the following items can't be returned or exchanged: custom personalized orders, perishable products, digital downloads, intimate items. Click publish, shop policies, and this is it. If your location is in Europe, then you will have that seller details and you need to mention your name, business address, VAT. If you're from United States or from Australia or other countries, you'll probably not even see that part. After you finish everything, you just click View Shop and everything that you have done so far is saved. Let's move on to the second version. Let's see how an old store looks with the Etsy Plus package. So now we are in my store. The big difference here will be the banner. If you click on the banner and click change layout, you can see that I have the carousel, collage, big banner, mini banner, and none. I feel the carousel is the best one. You can add up to 4 banners and it's more interactive. Then another big difference in layout is for the featured items. If you click on edit and change layout, you can see that I have mixed grid. For the free version of Etsy, only the standard grid is available where you can add only 4 listings. For the mixed grid, I can add larger photos with smaller ones. I can add listings, I can add sections, collections. It's more complex. You can also rearrange your items. So if you have lots and lots of listings like I have, here you can rearrange them. Put them in an order that you prefer. So here you can add only through the app, through Sell on Etsy app on your phone. You can add every time you post something new. If you create a collection or if you add more products, you can add one of them as an update and even tag that product. You can even share the update on social media. If you create a discount or a special promo, you can also add an update with this. If you're doing free shipping, you can also add an update. If you reach a milestone, let's say if you made, 10 sales, you'll get a customized photo from Etsy and you can also use that as an update. Next, we have the About section. I love making everything very visual. You'll see that I've added some photos, added a video. I highly recommend adding the video. Around the web, you'll see that I've added all my social media and the websites. Privacy policy is again only for Europe and only for EU most of all. If you're not from the European Union, you don't need to bother with that. Then I've added my frequently asked questions. In time, I didn't have these like for the first 3 or 4 years, I think, so I've added it much later. Seller details, again, for the people in the European Union. After you've done editing, you click on View Shop, and that's it.